Hey, I'm back. So I'm gonna move this camera. I don't know quite where yet. I should move it and aim it down toward the house because there's always something snooping around. If you count aliens. But I don't think I will. I think I'll walk down this way and do it. I couldn't stand the thought of sitting in the house. I mean, I know it's cool. And really, guys, if I was working, it'd probably be too hot out here. But I'm not. I'm walking leisurely. And so, and the wind's blowing. You know, there's a breeze. So I'm okay with that. And Shady is coming with me. Shady, my lady. Somebody said that on YouTube, and I thought that was so cute. I think it was Every, or I forget how to pronounce her name. But you guys, look how grown up this is. On both sides of me. Yeah. Yep, it is. It's pretty grown up. But this is what summer brings. I'm not going to be able to put the camera there because there's not trees in my, you know. I guess I ought to put it back up here. So, I think that it's so pretty up and down this trail. But you get surrounded and it's kind of scary. I got my Just Vape. I'm gonna upload a picture I got the day we went and got our vaccine. It was on the 10th. That evening, I stood out on the front porch, and I always take pictures across the road in the woods. I don't know, I just always have, and I've caught stuff over there, Sasquatch, Dogman. So anyway, took a picture that day, a few pictures, and in one of them is a big old Sasquatch. So I'm going to upload that and show you guys. Well, how many minutes am I at? 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Let me start over.